before all the kids come home from school. I don't know. I did think I should get the Flash the Flash bundle just because it's superhero and that you'll probably have it. Right, where are we going to rotate to? Gonna rotate to this way. I'm quite happy plodding away, trying to learn Fortnite. Trying to improve. I just wish I didn't have to spend so much time getting to Unreal. Because that detracts from me actually playing. Having said that, I guess I'm learning this slight little area. Guess we should keep that in. What do you mean? She's not what? Div 1? Oh no, I'm not Div 1, no. We didn't even play EU, we played NA. Yeah, I know, I'm in Storm. I have kind of twigged that one myself. Hence the med kit and the 5 bandages. Can we 1v1 though? If I'm not gonna 1v1, Robster, I'm not going to 1v1 someone else. Anyway, even on the Angels, Robster, you got 5 times as many as, 6 times as much damage as I did. Which is very depressing. In times... no, you can only survive 600 ticks. Unfortunately.